Are you tired of chaotic project management and missed emails? Discover how Get It Made revolutionized their workflow. In 2011, Luke smoothly faced challenges sourcing custom parts. He created Get It Made to provide top-notch manufacturing solutions. With a dedicated team led by Finn Brown, they manage complex projects for industries like aerospace and medical. But there was a problem. A single email account caused confusion with missed communications and duplicated efforts. They needed a streamlined solution to enhance customer satisfaction. After researching, they chose Hiver for its user-friendly interface. Hiver's shared inbox transformed their email management. Efficiency skyrocketed as tasks were assigned seamlessly among team members. Now, common queries are responded to in seconds, thanks to Hiver templates. They track crucial project details effortlessly, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Since implementing Hiver, their efficiency has increased by 250%. Clients appreciate swift communication, often choosing them over competitors. Even during staff shortages, Hiver keeps their service seamless and consistent, crucial in a deadline-driven industry. Collaboration improved dramatically, allowing effortless remote work. Hiver's Notes feature fosters teamwork, enabling a smooth transition to remote operations. If you want to elevate your manufacturing efficiency and customer satisfaction, it's time to try Hiver. Don't let chaos hold you back. Take control of your communication today.